All right, hi, my name is Craig Jenke. I am doing a little tutorial here because we have been questioned and I needed to show this to some people, I guess. How do I do a breakout in team meeting? So I am doing an actual meeting right now, right? So I've got these 4 people, but it could be more than that. My system admin organized it, and it's me, Megan, and Alex. Now, again, this could be more than some people, but so if we had a group of people and I had these broken out ahead of time, I might know, hey, these 4 people should be working together, these 4 people should be working together, these sort of people. So assuming it's time for the breakout, our system admin might send something like Craig, Megan, and Alex breakout, right? And so I get a little message over here that tells us to do that. So I know to do that, and being the first one, I am the leader. Also, it could have said that I was the leader, and like I said, we could have had an Excel spreadsheet with all of this listed out ahead of time, so I knew which group it was. Assuming that it was, I can still leave this call going and come over here and click on chat, right? And then that should open up chats. Now, I can create a chat by searching for people and adding them to there, but I've already done it with Megan and Alex, so I had that going. So maybe if I knew ahead of time, I could do a little side chat, right? So if I click on call or video, it will reach out and call them. So as it calls them, I get up the screen and I gotta wait for them to answer. So they may answer, and then I just have to wait a few seconds before they show in. So there's one of them showing up. And then I'm waiting for the other one to show up. So just a short delay, and they should both come into my team environment. So there's Alex, and we're waiting for Megan to connect, right? So now I've got in these 2 and I'm going to chat, and we could have a side chat going on here where I could click that on, but we can talk and we can discuss whatever the team was supposed to do. So just so you know that that's going on. And then up here is my hold call. So then I can just click this little resume and jump over to that call. So if I do, it jumps over to the other meeting that I had with everybody else, assuming that they're still in there, the team meeting. So there's my admin who I was talking to, and we can see kind of down here. Well, you can't see down here because I can get the whole screen, but Alex and Megan would still be in it. So if they were to comment on that, so I could jump back and forth again between the meetings using this little hold button, and then I don't have to click on anything. They're all still there when I rejoin it. If I want to go back to the team meeting with my admin and whoever else was on there, they just do that too. And then, so similarly, they would have to need to click on the hold button to jump back into that meeting. So they can do that. They jump in, and eventually they will show up in this meeting. And there they are, they're back. So just a little bit, but this button, the whole button, like I said, allows you to jump back and forth between the conversations. So I can, like I said, jump back to Alex and whenever, and then I just wait for them to show up. So I hope that this was helpful.